Okay. I think on the day of inspection, we have discussed some briefly about some aspects of maize crop production. We'll continue today. Yes. Maize is one of the wonderful crop and third most important cereal crop in the world. Scientific name Gia maize, Telugu name Makkajonalo, or and coming belongs to family Poaceae gramineaceae. Poaceae gramineaceae, all grassy plants are all grass plants or grassy like plants. All your cereals and millets comes under Poaceae and Gramineae family. And the scientific name of this maize crop is Gia maize. Here we can observe the this in this pictorial this image. We can observe the how it will be maize plant. I think as many of you is not aware about this maize plant practically. I think how many of you not seen maize crop in live, not photographs live. Just raise your hand. Okay. This is the life cycle of maize, seed to seed. Okay. Maize seed germinating, sown, germinating, then seedling, emergence, spout and emergence, then germination, spout, emergence, then seedling, then coming to flowering stage, reproductive stage. Here in this is a here male and female flowers on the same plant at different position. Is called as a yes, ID number 2.
Monoecious, sir.
Yes, monoecious. Here two type of inflorescence or reproductive flowers, male flowers and female flowers are different. One is tassel. This portion is tassel, male flower, and female flower is silk or cob we call. Okay. This is maize cob emerged after pollination from silk. Okay. Then here another mechanism is there. Which pollination occurs in maize? Which pollination occurs in maize? Self-cross.
Self-pollination.
Self-pollination, sir.
Self-pollination.
Self or cross? Cross.
Self-pollination.
Cross-pollination.
Cross pollination occurs because here your which one mature earlier or anthers? This one your male flowers or female flowers?
Anthers,
Anthers.
Pollen.
Anthers mature earlier than embryo.
Pistil, sir.
Pistil. Then what we call protandry, protogyny.
Protandry.
Up to this all clear? This is a maize crops. This portion is this earlier initially this portion we call silk. From that cob is emerged after pollination fertilization. Then maize, Gia maize is one of the most versatile crop grown throughout the tropical as well as temperate regions of the world. Yes, it is a very versatile, not versatile crop. And out of all the crops, all the cereal crops, all the millet crops, all the crops, maize having highest production potential. Okay. Then tell me which type of photosynthesis maize comes under which type of photosynthetic process?
C3.
Yes.
C3.
It's not your BSc agriculture level questions. It's all are your intermediate botany level questions. Which type of photosynthesis occurs in maize? There is a what are the different types of photosynthesis? There are what are the different types of photosynthesis?
C4.
C4. Other than C4, what are the different types?
C3,
C3
cam.
and
There is three
Cam.
types of
C3
photosynthesis.
Cam
C3 and
plant.
cam.
Yes, C3, cam and C4.
C4.
Okay. Then maize comes under
C4.
C4.
C4
C4 mechanism also
C4.
known as C4 mechanism also known as yes. Hutch and sock. What that hutch and sock and has some mechanism is there, na?
Actions.
Yes. Okay. How C4 plant morphologically, C4 plant leave morphological differs with C3. Yes.
Crans anatomy.
Yes.
Crans
There is in leaf anatomy. There is a cons anatomy. One structure is there. Okay. One that is due to that one. There is some your C3 whatever your carbon your electron transport this one process whatever that is means photosynthesis. What is the photosynthesis? What is the photosynthesis? Fixation of light carbohydrates with the help of light, carbon dioxide and water. Further, simple products, whatever the simple products with the simple products of our CO2 and HO2 with the help of light, it will forward means it will convert it into complex product that is your carbohydrates and further that is that carbohydrates leads to further production of your proteins and amino acids and fats all those. So simple products to complex products that what is this anabolism and catabolism?
Anabolism.
Simple to compound or complex.
Anabolism.
Constructive mechanism, destructive mechanism, reverse respiration. Okay. Okay, that's about basic things. So it comes under C4 plant. That's why highly productive because its photosynthetic efficiency is high and carbon saturation ratio is very low. Even it will fix atmospheric carbon with very low percentage or low concentration. Same time, its water use efficiency high compared to your C3. Then the wild and another other than that, generally this maize crop cultivating in both type of climates, tropical and temperate regions. Okay. Before telling this, tell me there is based on the sunlight requirement. Sunlight requirement. There is a crops divided into different categories. What are the different categories?
Short day,
Short
long
day,
day,
long day,
neutral.
day, neutral
Day
pants.
neutral. Then this maize crop comes under which category?
short day
This
plants,
maize crop comes under which category? One guy already left.
short day plants,
Short day.
Short day.
sir.
Which generally which plants are comes under short day? Based on season, which season crops generally normally maize how many seasons?
Kharif season.
Most of your kharif crops comes under kharif crops we can call as a tropical crops. Okay, there is again three tropical, temperate and humid, three type of climates is there. We are comes under which type of climate?
Tropical.
tropical,
Climate. What is the example of temperate climate? You can tell me. Temperate climate. For winter season in North India is comes under temperate. And what is the any example for your humid? In winter season or January, February, that period of in your Ladakh and that area and some part of China, that is humid. Okay. Anyhow, so tropical crops means most of the crops cultivating during your Kharif season means starting from your June to around or September, October. This crop mostly all these crops comes under short day period. Then whatever the your Rabi crops or temperate crops comes under long day. Okay. And again spring crops and what are they? But and day neutral. Some of the crops because of their genetical makeup, they are non-responsive to photo period or sunlight requirement. They will perform equally in both type of climatic conditions or photo period condition. But tell me, here this guy is telling that I am telling that maize is able to grow in both type of tropical and temperate. Then it is short day or long day. Yes. Yes, please respond. Otherwise, I'll call by number. Shall I call you number ID number 6?
Sir,
Tell me.
day neutral.
Day neutral. Nice. ID number 8. ID number 8.
Day neutral, sir.
Oh. ID number 49.
Day neutral.
ID number 72. It is a short day plant only. And 72 not responded. Marked it, noted it. 72 not responded. Okay. So it is a short day plant only. But generally, short day means how much hours of sunlight required?
Less than 12 hours, sir.
12 hours.
12 or 10?
Less than 12.
12 or 10? The long day means?
Greater
Long
than
day.
12 hours.
12 hours.
12 or 14? This is assignment for you. I will ask the same question in next class. Okay? But here again, this short day and long day, there is a based on again quantitative long day, qualitative short day, quantitative short day. There is there is a classification there. But generally, Maize comes under short day. But some of the composites is there, day neutral, and it's okay. Some of the composite varieties there. But generally, if anybody asking, basically, there is a no evidence for maize. It's a long day plant. It's a short day plant, or it's not. There is no evidence. There is so much research is going on. It's not clear. But for your examination purpose, it's a short day plant. Then the wild relative of maize was first domesticated in southern Mexico. Wild relative. వీళ్ళ తాత ఎవడో ఉన్నాడంటే అది ఫస్ట్ టైం వాడిని సదరన్ అమెరికాలో ఉన్నాడంటాడు. అండ్ హిస్ నేమ్ దట్ వైల్డ్ రిలేటివ్స్ నేమ్ ఇస్ థియోసైనైట్. ఓకే. దెన్ origin of your maize, origin, birthplace of your maize, southern America or southern Mexico. Okay, or Mexico, you can write Mexico or southern America. Then next one is your origin also is clear. Generally, this Mexico is wild relative and in germplasm mostly concentrating in the southern America part, Mexico, Peru, Bolivia, and southern America, some part of the southern America area. And this thiocyanate scientific name, Ichulenia mexicanae. Then this corn, maize also called as a corn. What is that? Corn. And what is the meaning of this corn? C-O-R-N, corn. In Indo-European word, it is a Indo-European word. Your maize is a corn is a Indo-European word. It means small nugget. Small nugget. Then origin of word maize. Then okay, what is mean by maize? There is a Taino is the one type of tribal people in Southern America, Mexican countries. That and that their language, they in that language meaning of maize is source of life. Maize means source of life in Taino's language. Taino. Then it is originated in Mexico or Southern America. Then the cultivated maize, whatever our GM is, present GM is what we are cultivating, that is originated from pod corn. Pod corn. There is another type of corn is there. Pod corn. The immediate parent of this cultivated maize is pod corn, but wild relative of the maize is thiocyanate. Here you can observe this is our modern corn. This is thiocyanate. Then coming to research institutions working on maize crop. Okay, CIMET. What is that? CIMET. You are already learned this all these institutions about institutions in your 1 and 2 classes. So tell me what is CIMET. Anyhow, it's there. It's I am displayed that one. Okay, just someone. Item number 17. What is CIMET? Yes.
Sir.
What is CIMET?
Hello, sir.
अरे टेके అక్కడ కనిపిస్తుంది కదరా, కనిపించే ఇట్స్ మై స్క్రీన్ ఇస్ విజిబుల్ టు యూ ఆల్ ఆర్ నాట్?
Visible, sir.
అదే చూసి చెప్పడానికి కూడా కష్టమా?
Indian Maize and Wheat Improvement Center.
ఏమన్నా ఎవరికైనా అర్థమైందిరా?
Indian Maize and Wheat Improvement Center ఉంది సార్.
అరే కొట్టినా అనుకో, చూసి చదవడానికి కూడా ఇండియన్ ఏడు ఉంది ఇక్కడ.
ఇంటర్నేషనల్ సార్.
గట్టేదో. ఎవరు నీ పేరే పేరు?
గిరీష్ సార్.
రే గిరీషా
చెప్పండి సార్.
చదువు గట్టిగా.
ఇంటర్నేషనల్ మేజ్ అండ్ వీట్ ఇంప్రూవ్మెంట్ సెంటర్.
రే మధ్యాహ్నం లంచ్ చేయాలా?
చేసిన సార్.
ఐడి నెంబర్ 18.
ఎస్ సార్.
చదువు గట్టిగా. వాడి అన్నం గట్టిగా తెలియదట, చదువు.
ఇంటర్నేషనల్ మైజ్ అండ్ వీట్ ఇంప్రూవ్మెంట్ సెంటర్.
ఇది ఏ ఊర్లో ఉంది చెప్పరా గిరీష్? మీ ఊళ్ళో ఉందా, మా ఊళ్ళో ఉందా?
ఢిల్లీలో ఉండింటా సార్.
ఢిల్లీలో ఉండాలి. రే ఇంటర్నేషనల్ ఢిల్లీలోనే ఉంటుంది గిరీషా. 101 పాస్ అయ్యావా? 102, 101. మరి అక్కడ ఉన్నాయి కదా ఐసిఆర్ సిస్టమ్ రీసెర్చ్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూషన్స్
ఉన్నాయి సార్.
అయినా ఇప్పుడు మనం మేజ్ గురించి మాట్లాడుకుంటున్నాము. ఓకే, మేజ్ ఏ ఊర్లో పుట్టిందిరా?
సౌత్ మెక్సికో అనుకుంటా.
ఆరిజిన్ ఆఫ్ మేజ్
మెక్సికో అనుకుంటా సార్.
మెక్సికో అనుకుంటావా? ఇప్పుడే కదా మనం పైన చెప్పుకున్నది.
సౌత్ మెక్సికో అనుకుంటా.
సౌత్ మెక్సికో, మెక్సికో,
సదరన్
సౌత్
మెక్సికో
ఇండియా, సౌత్ అమెరికా, మెక్సికో. ఓకే, మరి మెక్సికోలో అది పుట్టినప్పుడు వాళ్ళ ఊర్లో దాని గురించి రీసెర్చ్ చేస్తారా, మీ ఊర్లో చేస్తారా?
వాళ్ళ ఊర్లోనే చేసుకుంటారు సార్.
ఇప్పుడు ఎక్కడ ఉంది మరి చెప్పా?
సదరన్ మెక్సికోలోనే ఉంది సార్.
సదరన్ మెక్సికోలో ఉందా? మెక్సికో సిమెట్ located in Mexico, headquarters of CIMET in Mexico. అరే నీకు జియోగ్రఫీ పాస్ అయినా 10th క్లాస్ దే? మెక్సికో క్యాపిటల్ ఏంటి?
జస్ట్ పాస్ సార్.
జస్ట్ పాసా? అరే సోషల్ సైన్స్, అదే సోషల్ స్టడీస్
అన్ని పాసే సార్, జస్ట్ పాస్.
మరి దాంట్లో అది మెక్సికోది క్యాపిటల్ సిటీ ఏంటి?
తెలుసు సార్.
ఇంకెవరైనా చెప్తారా మెక్సికో క్యాపిటల్ సిటీ? సమ్మన్ ఐడి నెంబర్ 20. There is a town. చెప్పండి. ఐడి నెంబర్ 20 నాట్ రెస్పాండెడ్. నోటెడ్.
డోంట్ నో సార్. తెలియదు సార్ నాకు.
అదని చెప్పాలి కదా మరి. There is a city called Mexico and country also, the country name also Mexico, and Mexico is headquarters of CIMET also Mexico. Then next ID number 20, next one, next institute, please read out.
ICAR IIMR was shifted from New Delhi to Ludhiana in 2016.
What is that IIMR? What is that IIMR?
Indian Institute of Maize Research.
Okay, where it is now?
Ludhiana, sir.
Where it is now?
Ludhiana, sir.
Ludhiana.
Yes, sir.
తలకాయనియా లుధేనియా నాది? ఏ ఊర్లో ఉంది ఆ లుధేనియా? ఏ దేశంలో ఉంది? ఏ రాష్ట్రంలో ఉంది లుధేనియా? ఏ రాష్ట్రంలో ఉందమ్మా అది? లుధేనియా కాదు, లుధియానా.
Ludhiana.
ఏ రాష్ట్రంలో ఉంది? This town or city is comes under which state?
Punjab, sir.
Yes, it's at Punjab. Okay, next one, item number 21. 21 is not there. 21 is there. 21
Sir,
చదవమ్మా.
Indian Council of Agriculture Research established the first coordinated crop improvement project on maize in 1957.
Yes, there is under SAU ICR system. What is ICR? Indian Council of Agriculture Research. Under this SAU State Agriculture Universities and ICR system, there is one very big research program is going on. That's under coordinated projects for different crops and different animals and all those things. Among that, the first coordinated all India coordinated project was established on maize in 1957. At that time, headquarters is New Delhi. Then, other than this, coming to maize, there is a research institute under Angro. RAS research, agriculture research, ARS maize, I think it is in Nandyala. And just you have to inquire and tell me in last class, next class, RAS maize. Okay. Then maize is a cross-pollinated crop. Maize is a potentary. Antar matches before pistil. Maize is known as a what?
Queen of
Queen
cereals.
Queen of cereals.
Cereals.
Not cereals. Okay, cereals are cereals. Okay. Idi cereals king and cereals king or cereals king. Queen a kinga. Then who is king?
Wheat, sir.
Okay. Then percentage of oil content in your maize crop. Maize లో ఆయిల్ అంట. maize లో ఆయిల్ ఏంది నీకు పొందా అంటావా? ఆయిల్ దేంట్లో ఉంటుంది? ఎస్.
Groundnut. Sesame, sorghum, sunflower.
సోర్గంలో ఆయిల్ ఉంటుందా? చెప్పండి. సన్ఫ్లవర్, సిసామం, గ్రౌండ్ నట్, మస్టర్డ్, ఆవాలు, ఇంకా ఏమైనా? సోయాబీన్, సోయా, సాఫ్లవర్, సన్ఫ్లవర్, నైజర్, గుజెటియానా. ఓకే. బట్ యు హర్డ్ అబౌట్ రైస్ బ్రాన్ ఆయిల్? నో, రైస్ బ్రాన్ ఆయిల్ రైస్ బాగా ఎవరో అమ్మాయి ఆమె ఆంటీ అడ్వర్టైజ్మెంట్లో వస్తుంది. రైస్ బ్రాన్ ఆయిల్ హెల్దీ హార్ట్. ఓకే. రైస్ బ్రాన్ ఈ మధ్యలో రైస్ బార్న్ తీసిన ఆయిల్ బాగా ఫేమస్గా వాడుతున్నారు కదా. వాడుతున్నారా లేదా మీ ఊర్లో? టీవీలో చూసారా లేదా యాడ్? సో nowadays we are also extracting oil from different sources other than oil seeds like rice bran, then cotton seed oil. At the same time in maize corn, your maize corn made and endosperm also consists 4% of oil. In some countries they are extracting oil. Okay. Then coming to maize protein. What is the name of maize protein? Yes, what is the name of maize protein? హలో చదవండి.
జీన్ సార్.
అరే మీరు వేరే అనుకుంటారే జీన్ అంటే. జీన్ వేసుకునే జీనో లేకపోతే తాగే జీనో కాదు, ఇది జీన్. ఓకే. నెక్స్ట్ మేజ్ ఈజ్ ఏ miracle crop. Maize is a miracle crop. Why miracle crop means? Due to its productivity levels, its high potential of productivity, all these things. That's why we call it is as a miracle crop. Okay. Maize is a queen of cereal. Maize is a miracle crop. Oil content. These all are important for your objective purpose. Okay. Then 1 acre of corn eliminates 8 tons of carbon dioxide from the air. Importance of maize. What is the importance of maize in case of sustainable agriculture or climate or environmental pollution related issues? If you sow a maize crop in 1 hectare, it fixes 8 tons of carbon dioxide. Means it removes 8 tons of carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and convert that carbon dioxide into carbohydrates, proteins, and all those things. So this process is called as, we can now call as carbon sequestration. Okay, sequestration. Then the average year, average year, maize మొక్కజొన్న కంకి or average year మొక్కజొన్న cob has 800 kernels in 16 rows. Okay. This one cob having 18 rows, and on an average it contains how much kernels?
800.
100, sir.
An average 800 kernels and 16 rows of that maize line, that kernel lines is there. Hybrid maize. This also your intermediate level question first, and your in genetics also, in your botany, genetics, and here also the most of times you are read about this, aware about this in your intermediate level also. The hybrid maize, this yeast and cell, all the scientists also know, you very well aware in your intermediate level. Okay, hybrid maize was first developed in world during 1910 by EM East and GS Cell. What is hybrid maize? What is the hybridization? What is the hybrid? What is hybrid?
Crossing of two parents.
Crossing of two parents, two male parent and female parent. For what? To get
To
better
develop
progeny,
new variety.
new variety, which having
Desirable characteristics.
Desirable characteristics.
what we call vigor, then hybrid vigor. Okay. The double cross maize hybrid was first introduced in 1920 by D.F. Johns. Then double cross maize, that is single cross. First time that maize hybrid is developed by East Extension. Then double cross maize is developed, introduced by D.F. Johns in 1920. Then up to now, you just heard two words. What is queen of cereal? Another is what?
Miracle crop.
Miracle crop.
Miracle crop.
There is another two terms also there regarding maize. Drosophila of maize, Drosophila of crop plants is maize. Drosophila of crop plants. What is this? What is Drosophila?
Okay, animals, sir.
Animal.
Insects.
Insect. Yeah. What is its function? What is its importance? Yeah. Housefly. Okay. What is its importance? Why we are studying here?
Experiments చేయడానికి ఈజీగా
Yes,
ఉంటుంది సార్.
genetical experiments. For genetical experiments, it is very ideal insect. In case of insects, the Drosophila. But in case of crop plants, your maize plant also very much suitable for genetical experiments. That's why we call maize plant as a Drosophila of crop plants. Among the crop plants, it is like Drosophila. Then there is another plant also called as a Drosophila plants. Which one that? Julifera, Prosopis julifera, something is there. Just you check it. Then backbone of America. Just if you want to destroy America, then you just do one thing. You just destroy the maize and soybean crops of America. Simply, you can destroy. That much importance have maize and soybean in America. That's why maize is called as a backbone of America. And next, these all things we are already gone through. Botanical name GMS, family Poaceae, Gramineae, origin Mexico. Then coming to chromosome number 2n, 20. What is 2n? Haploid, diploid, tetraploid, hexaploid.
Diploid.
Right, chromosome number is 20. India is the 6th largest producer and 5th largest consumer of maize in the world. India among the all countries, India's rank in production is 6th and consumption is 5th. Okay, we'll see about area again. Then the highest productivity. What is the productivity? What is the productivity and what is the production?
ప్రొడక్టివిటీ yield సార్.
What అదే ఏంది yield అంటే ఏంది? Productivity అంటే yield. ఏం yield?
Yield per unit area.
Yes, yield per unit area. Exactly. What is that? Yield per unit area. Quintals per hectare, quintals per or kgs per meter square or something. ఒక పర్టికులర్ ఏరియా ఇంత ఏరియా నుంచి వచ్చేదని ప్రొడక్టివిటీ ఉంటుంది. దెన్ వాట్ ఈస్ ద ప్రొడక్షన్? Production means yield of entire area have 100 acres. Okay? Or whatever the entire area, whatever the area we having. Total production. That is production means total production and quantity. Productivity means yield per unit area. Okay. That productivity is highest in which country?
USA.
Unfortunately or fortunately, we are in most cases, most of the crops, especially field crops, we are very low in productivity in our condition, our Indian condition, because there is so many concerns we will discuss as per correct situation, whenever we get correct situation. But in case of maize productivity, we are very far away compared to world average. But we are in productivity, or in case of productivity, we are very away, but far away. But in case of production, we are 6th in rank. Remember that. But the highest productivity in USA, followed by China. Then coming to India, Karnataka state ranks first in the country in area of maize. Okay, evaru? Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Telangana, Tamil Nadu. Where is we having the highest production of maize?
Karnataka.
Karnataka. Then the
Andhra
productivity of maize is highest in
Andhra
Andhra
Pradesh.
Pradesh. Okay, our state having highest productivity. Just see it. Highest area in Karnataka. They are cultivating 100 acres, getting 10,000 quintals. We are cultivating 70 acres. Okay, we are also getting around 800 quintals. But we are producing per hectare 5 quintals. They are producing per hectares 4 quintals only. That is due to different socio-economic, technical, all the gaps and constraints. Then coming to, this is also important objective question. Most of them they are asking for your semester exams. Leading state for maize, Rabi maize. Okay. Whatever we discussed about, that is total maize. But especially Rabi maize. I told you earlier that your maize crop is cultivating in both tropical and temperate regions. So your Rabi maize highest in where? Highest production, leading state for Rabi maize? Yes, state.
Bihar.
Bihar. Nitish Kumar. Okay. Lalu Prasad. Lalu uncle. Okay. Then now coming to statistics. The total area under maize cultivation in world is 158.6 million hectares. In India, 8.3 million hectares. Production, entire world, 819 million tons. India, 21 million tons. Productivity, 5.2. World average productivity is 5.2 tons per hectare. The world average. ఒక ఎకరానికి వరల్డ్ అంత యావరేజ్ తీసుకుంటే ఒక ఎకరానికి ఒక హెక్టార్కి 5.2 టన్స్ ప్రొడ్యూస్ చేస్తే ఇన్ ఇండియా 2.5 టన్స్. 1 టన్ అంటే ఎంత? ఎన్ని క్వింటాల్స్?
1000.
1 టన్స్ అంటే ఎన్ని క్వింటాల్స్? క్వింటాల్స్ 10 quintals.
100.
Okay, 1000 kgs. Okay, so just see half of the gap is there. Our productivity. If our country reach the same productivity level, then just check out our then multiply into our our area. Then we are the number 1 in production almost. Then out of the total production of the India world, out of 100 world మొత్తం 100 kg పడుతుంది, 40 kg only USA, 40 kg from USA. That's why we called what we called America. The maize is a backbone of America. Just a minute. Sorry, cough వస్తుందని cough syrup తాగాను. Okay, so that's why maize called as a backbone. What? That's why maize called as the backbone of America? American economy.
40%.
What 40%?
World
Total
production.
maize production లో 40% అంటే just what is the total maize production of the world? 158, 159, okay, 160 million tons. Out of that, what is the 40% means? Around 65 million tons only producing in America. Then what about India? India producing 2% of total world production. 83%, 8.3 million tons. Sorry, this is one area, na? Total world is 819 million tons. Out of that, means almost 350 plus is producing in America. India 21 means this 21 is 2% of this 819. So that's why maize is the priority level is somewhat after wheat and maize. That comes under third important crop among the cereals in India. And it is the third most important cereal crop after wheat and rice in the world. Third most important cereal crop after wheat and rice. Tell me, which crop is called as a world staple food crop? Food crop. Which crop? World staple food crop.
Wheat.
Wheat.
Wheat, sir.
Wheat, sir. Wheat.
Then which crop is called as a Asia's staple food crop?
Rice.
Paddy, sir.
Rice, sir.
Paddy.
Which crop is called as a India's staple food crop?
Paddy, sir.
Yeah. Rice. Okay. Then coming to India, total area among the India different states. Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh, if you compare, Karnataka 1.25 million hectares area under cultivation of maize. Andhra Pradesh 0.79 million hectares only. But production, you just check it, 4.3 and 4.17 million tons. Just you see, the productivity levels of Andhra Pradesh is above the world average. World average is 5.2, but productivity in Andhra Pradesh is good. It is above 5.3 million tons. Then productivity of in among the Indian states, highest productivity in Andhra Pradesh. Then Karnataka is 3.5 only. Then among the maize crop, 80% of the crop is cultivating during Kharif, spring and summer season. Only 15% of the crops comes under Rabi season. And Rabi maize leading state is
Bihar, sir.
Yeah.
Far.
నాకు 4-5 గొంతులు వినిపిస్తున్నాయి, మిగతా అందరి గొంతులు ఏమైనా పడిందిరా? మీ గొంతులు మూసుకుపోయా? Then 75% of out among the total maize area, 75% of the crop comes under rain-fed crop. Means only 25% crop is irrigated. Then uses. Tell me, what are the different uses of maize? Maize corn, maize grain. What we call? Okay. ఏం చేస్తాం మనం maize దేనికి వాడతాము?
కన్జ్యూమ్ చేయడానికి
కన్సంప్షన్
ఏం కన్జంప్షన్ ఎట్లా తింటారు?
Preparation of cornflakes.
Grains.
Okay.
రోటీ పాప్కార్న్
ఓకే, హ్యూమన్ కన్జంప్షన్, యువర్ పాప్కార్న్స్, ఆ కాన్ ఈ కాన్ అన్ని కాన్స్. కాన్ అంటే హిందీలో చెవురై. ఓకే. దెన్ animal and poultry feed. Most this poultry animal feed now is using for dairy feed, but maximum also going for poultry feed, kola farms and dana, all those things. Then other than that, industrial starch purpose also maize is using in western countries. They are producing starch from maize. That is also there. Other than that, biofuel. Nowadays this biofuel, everyone is talking about climate smart, sustainable, all these things. And what is it? Biofuel is called as ethanol based fuel. 10% of ethanol plus 90% of gasoline, that is called as a gasopol. This is less pollution causing fuel like your petrol diesel, less pollution compared to petrol diesel. And in India, it's a 85% of the maize is generally using for consumption. In northern countries, in western countries, they are using for industrial starch, biofuel and all those things. But India, most of the things khane ke liye. Okay, human or animal or poultry. Then causes of low productivity of maize. Yes, I told you there is a very low productivity compared to world average. India's productivity is around 2.5, half of the productivity. Why? Why? Because 75% area under rain feed condition. Soil moisture is not available at critical stages. Then your crop growth and development for the yield is going to hamper, going to affect. And 75% area depends on rainfall. We know that rainfall is not fixed time. It's have its own criteria, own pattern. sometimes floods in India, sometimes drought in India, and sometimes very long dry spell between two rains, and that causes moisture stress to crops, and further that leads to reduction in yield. This is the one of the major reason. Other than that, low spread of high yielding varieties and hybrids. Now even most of the places, most of the farmers using local varieties, local seeds for sowing, not using hybrids and not availability of hybrids and high yielding varieties. Next reason is biotic and abiotic stress. Biotic stress is pest and disease and weed problems, and most of the farmers are small and marginal. They are not able to use control measures, sprayings timely. So that is also one of the reason to reduce the yield. Another is abiotic stress, like your drought, then moisture stress, high and low temperature, then chilling problems, means your freezing problems, and thunderstorms, all those abiotic climatic problems, then soil condition, soil sodicity, all these things. Then coming to maize grain. Coming to maize grain. Low protein content. Generally, all your cereals and millets is having less than 10% of, less than 12% protein. Which crops having highest protein? I told you during the classification of
Soybean.
crops. Yes. Huh? Tell me.
Soybean, sir.
Soybean, then means generally your pulses like this. Okay. Then your this crops or cereals and millets having less than 12% of protein. Your maize crop especially having less than 10% of protein. And I told you already, oil content. What is the percentage of oil content in maize endosperm?
4%.
4%.
Maize protein called as a
Zinc.
Gene.
Zinc, sir.
maize is a good source of dietary fiber. Fiber content is 3 to 5%. Very low in fat, 5 to 7%, and sodium salt. Then, but very high in starch content. Starch is high, almost 73.4%. That's why in some Western countries that they are producing industrial starch from maize. Maize is a naturally deficient in lysine and tryptophan. Most of the all your cereals and millets are deficient in lysine. Yes, what is lysine? What is this lysine and tryptophan? Yes,
Amino acids.
amino acids.
Amino
Yes, amino acids, and this lysine is universally deficient in cereals, and in maize, lysine and tryptophan both are deficient. What is the use of tryptophan? Where you study tryptophan, precursor of IAA, na? Zinc. Okay, just tell me. Tryptophan is the precursor of what? This is also your next question. And whatever I am giving assignments, everything is recording here. Don't worry. If I will forget also, I will check this video again. Okay. Then coming to grain structure, endosperm, mostly starch. What is endosperm? What is this endosperm? What is the chromosomal level or quality level of endosperm?
Triploid.
20, sir.
Triploid, sir.
Right.
3M.
What is the process of formation of endosperm? Which fertilization?
Double fertilization.
Fertilization.
What we call as that process?
Triple fusion.
Yes, triple fission. Okay. Then this is your live portion germ. Okay. Then pedicle or your flower stalk or whatever the attached portion, and then endosperm. This is endosperm means starch secretion. Then hard starch and gluten portion. Then soft endosperm. Then pericarp, the outer layer or hull. Okay. Then germ. And tell me one basic question. What is the procedure or test using to using to test that seed is live or not. Yes, I think your basic botany is completed. Otherwise, it will becomes under your seed technology course. That is TZ test, tetrazoidium test. That is a TZ test. This for your information. I think it's maybe not at this level. It's not required for you. That is TZ test for your information. Then, okay. Maize is naturally deficient in lysine. If lysine is deficient, then protein formation or lysine is deficient and tryptophan is deficient. If this deficiency leads to pellagra, that is a pellagra. Deficiency of lysine further leads to deficiency of niacin. What is the niacin? Niacin. What are the different B complex?
Vitamin
Yes.
B3, sir.
Vitamin B1.
B1, B2, B3, B4, B6. What is that? Niacin. Niacin is, I think, one of the part of one of the B complex. Is it? Or am I
B3,
right or
sir.
wrong?
Yes.
Okay. Yes, sir. No.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
So, if your lysine is deficient, if you continuously consuming only maize, then you are getting less niacin. Then that is further leads to niacin shortage in your body. That is further leads to pellagra disease. Okay. Then tryptophan and these two protein malnutrition. Protein. Just a minute. చెప్పనా అనే గుడ్ ఈవినింగ్ నా గుడ్ ఈవినింగ్ అన్నా నల్లగొండలో ఉన్నా నల్లగొండలో అన్న చూసిన అన్న నేను మళ్ళీ కాల్ చేస్తాను క్లాస్ చెప్తున్నా నేను ఒక అర్ధగంట తర్వాత కాల్ చేస్తాను ఓకే రైట్ tryptophan. Okay, these two amino acid, what is the amino acids for what? Required for what? Protein formation. Is it? If you are these two amino acids is deficient, means there is a protein shortage is there, means some type of protein is not possible, means there is a further it leads to protein malnutrition. There is due to protein malnutrition, there is a one disease. What is the disease? Just read out this word.
Kwashiorkor.
Yeah, that is a one type of protein malnutrition. Disease caused due to protein malnutrition. Then coming to classification. What is that? Maize crop is classified based on maize corn. That the relative hardness of the maize. This maize crop is maize corn that classified into different maize crop maize different types of maize. That is flint corn, flint, dent, sweet, flour, popcorn, podcorn, and waxy corn. Then the scientific names we have to remember. There is most of time they are asking any one scientific name of flour corn or scientific name of flint corn. Or sometimes they are asking which is you are mostly cultivating in India, mostly cultivating in America, like that, or mostly cultivating in the world. Flint corn, GMS variety Indurata. This one Indurata. Then dent corn, Indineta. Sweet corn, sometimes they are asking all they are giving and they are giving cross matching. Sweet corn, GMS variety Saturata. Flour corn, GMS variety Amylase. Flour purpose, this is sweet corn. Then dent corn and flint corn, then popcorn. Whatever you are eating now, popcorn, your favorite this one, snacks, most of the people. Evareta, GMS Evareta. Then pod. What about podcorn? What I told you about podcorn? Yes. I discussed about podcorn earlier in earlier
originated from popcorn.
Our commercial
Is originated-
present maize plant is originated from this podcorn. GMS tunicata. Then waxy corn for wax production. GMS variety serratina. Okay. You can observe what is the difference of endosperm here. Popcorn, how it will means the internal section, how it will looks. Flint corn, dent corn, flour corn, and sweet corn. I will explain what are the different these things. Here you see in this the box. This type, this means hard, means there is a, this white portion is completely hard starch. Then this type of color, somewhat dark color, that is soft. Here you can see this in dent corn. This area, this all area is soft. That floor, this entire area is soft, starch. Here this much. Here almost everything is hard only. Then this portion is sugary. This dot portion is sugary, and this middle portions all are your germplasm germ. Okay, you got it? Have any doubt here?
No, sir.
No, sir. No, sir.
Then types and their characteristics of the different maize. Type of endosperm of popcorn. Type of pericarp is very thick in popcorn. Pericarp is very thick. Here, this pericarp is very thick. Then that one corn appearance, pointed and rounded. This is pointed and rounded appearance. Then endosperm, hard. Just see this all the actually this portion of entire endosperm is hard type of starch. Then texture of the endosperm is hard. Uses of this popcorn is confection purpose, eating purpose. Go sit there. Mostly 1% of total maize. Then distribution, mostly cultivating in USA and eventually all regions of the country. Hey, class is going on, you go out. Then next one is flint corn. Pericarp is thick, medium thick. Then crown appearance is rounded. Then texture of the endosperm is mostly hard. Then uses, general purpose use, it consists 14% of the total maize production. Then distribution, Argentina, southern portion of southern Europe and India. Here not India is not given, but India too. Then dent, medium type of pericarp is medium. Crown appearance is dented. Dent corn. This corn appearance is dented. This just see this outer portion appearance. Then use livestock feed, industrial process uses, and mill ground meal, cattle and poultry feed. Side, go that side. Your class is going on. Oh, that. Then use is the worldwide. This is cultivating worldwide, and this dent corn is consists 73% of the total maize. Then floricorn, statured thin pericarp, slightly dented, endosperm is soft, direct human uses as a flour, direct at milk stages, and directly at maize we are using at milk stages. అదే మీరు ఉడకబెట్టుకొని కాల్చిన మేజ్ మొక్కజొన్న కంకులు అది అలా తినడం. Okay, then different beverages purpose and all those things. It consists 12% of the total maize production, and mostly cultivating in Latin America and southwest America, southwest portion, southwest. Okay. Then sweet corn, thick medium pericarp, where corn appearance is winkled. Okay. Then your endosperm texture, glossy. Uses of this one is direct at milk stage, direct consumption, table purpose. 75% moisture is there in sweet corn during the harvest time for consumption purpose. Then foraging, canned, purchased, and beverage purpose, all those things. Then distribution, North America, USA, Canada, and now sweet corn is cultivating in most of the countries. Flint corn, GMS, and flint, GMS, indurata. Entire outer portion of the kernel is hard starch. Outer portion is hard starch entirely, and amylopectin. That starch, which type of starch is there? Amylopectin type. Amylose and amylopectin, two type of starches is there, but in flint corn completely amylopectin. This is indurata, and mostly cultivating in India. It is whatever the maize cultivating in India is flint corn type. Then early maturing one is early maturing. Many colors of the corn is white, yellow, red, blue, variable colors is there. Dent corn. What is the name? Yes. Indinata. Then it accounts for 95% of the total maize growing in USA, and in the world it is accounts. So how much percentage? 70. Then hard starch confined to sides of kernel. In sides lo hard corn ఉంటుంది. Amylase of the soft starch forms core and cap portion and contracts when grain is dried. Okay, sorry, dried, not dyed, dried. Okay, and give dent like a top, dent like appearance. This is used for livestock feeding mostly. Then coming to sweet corn, what is the scientific name? Scientific name?
Accurate.
Using for good source of energy, human consumption, good source of vitamin A and C. Okay, next corn is, next one is GMS. What is the floor corn name? చెప్పండి. GMS, Amylosia, grown in Andean highlands of South America and drier areas of southwest USA. Kernels entire soft starch. Entire kernel, that kernel endosperm portion is completely soft corn, soft endosperm. It used for make a flour purpose, flour pindi. Okay. Then coming to your popcorn. What is the scientific name? Kernels are small, extreme form of flint and mace. This is the popcorn is the extreme form of flint and mace. Sorry, flint and dent. Flint corn. Whatever the flint corn ఏదైతే దానికి extreme form లో ఇది ఉంటుంది. Kernels are small and extreme form of your flint mace. When heated to 170 degrees Celsius, grains swell and burst. That is the process of your popcorn making. Popular snack food, very sensitive to drought at flowering stage. If moisture stays at flowering stage, popcorn yield will be going to reduce drastically. Then coming to popcorn, what is the scientific name? Not grown commercially. It's not going commercially. Each kernel enclosed in pod or husk in an ear. Each kernel is enclosing differently individually. I shown you in picture. Then next one is waxy corn. GMS Seratina. Wax purpose, mostly cultivating in America, China. Composed of 78% of here. Just see all the above type of maize only containing amylopectin. But here 78% of amylopectin and 22% of amylose. That's why it's waxy. Used in milling industry. Right. Then resemble like tropica. What tropica is one type of plant is there. It resembles like a tropica starch. This wax produced from GMS Seratina is resemble like a tropica starch, using for special food and adhesive purpose. Just see here how it look like. Flint corn more hard. It is a starch. This is small portion of germ. Dent corn. See what is the different appearance. This is one is popcorn. Extreme popcorn is the extreme form of your flint corn. Okay. So, shall we stop here or will continue? Yes, please. I will stop here today. We'll continue tomorrow. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then. Now, time for discussion. Just if you have any doubt, just ask me. Okay. No doubts or doubts? If you have no doubts, means I have so many doubts. I will ask you questions. Everything understood? Everything understood up to now?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes. Continue. Just a minute. Alright. ఈ ఏరియాలో కనిపిస్తే తుర్కమెనిస్తాన్ పంపిస్తా. Yes, please ask. Yes, please proceed. ID number 9. You want to ask something? Amy, doubt leva?
Leave, sir.
Nobody.
No,
Shall I
sir.
ask doubt? Shall I ask any doubt?
Yes, sir.
Okay. First All India Coordinator Research Project by ICR established in which year? Yes,
1957, sir.
7, sir. 1957. New Delhi.
7. Okay. IIMR. Explain.
Indian
IIMR.
Institute of
Institute of
Maize Research.
ఏంది ఒక్కరు చెప్పండి.
Indian Institute of Maize Research.
Why not Indian Institute of Millet Research? Why not Indian Institute of Millet Research? That also IIMR. There is another IIMR is there. Indian Institute of Millet Research that is located in Hyderabad. Then, other than that, what is the mechanism which promotes cross pollination in maize?
Protandry.
Andre, sir.
Proton.
But what about remaining people? Then now time for attendance. Just a minute. Okay. Now time for attendance. Item number 2.
Present, sir.
Video, audio, rendu on cheyala. Okay. Tomorrow's class, I think tomorrow extra class as per schedule I was given. That time you have to follow. Item number 2.
Present, sir.
Video on cheyi.
Present, sir.
ఏం కనిపించట్లా. ఓకే, యూ మే లీవ్ నౌ. దెన్ ఐడి నెంబర్ 3. 3 absent. 4
Present, sir.
వీడియో ఆన్ చేయాలమ్మా.
Present,
5
sir.
అయిపోయిన వాళ్ళు వెళ్ళిపోవాలి.
Present, sir.
5 ఓకే.
Present.
6
present, sir.
7 sorry 8
Present, sir.
8 ఓకే. 9
Present, sir.
10 sorry no 10 11
Present, sir.
11 15
Present, sir.
16
Yes, sir.
17
Present, sir.
17
Present, sir.
ఎక్కడ?
Present, sir.
ఓకే. 18
Present, sir.
19
Present, sir.
20
Present, sir.
ఇప్పుడు కూడా నీకు అనవట్లేదా? 20 ఓకే రైట్. 21
Present, sir.
Okay. అయిపోయిన leave on. 23.
Present, sir.
Where you are? Okay. 24. 24. Absent. 25.
Present, sir.
Darshanam.
Video on our lesson.
26.
Present, sir.
28.
Present, sir.
29.
Present, sir.
Sorry, there is no 29. Who is 20? There is no 29. Only 28 after 28. 31 only. Who is that? 30. 30, you are not there initially. You are not there initially.
Sir, class cut అయింది sir, network problem.
I will give
Initial
half attendance.
attendance ఉన్నాను sir.
I will give you half attendance.
Sir, లేదు sir, ఉన్నాను sir.
Okay.
Initial
Class మొత్తం
attendance
చెప్తావా?
ఉన్నాను sir.
క్లాస్ మొత్తం చెప్తావా? మరి వచ్చాక ఎందుకు చెప్పలే
Sir?
నాకు? వచ్చాక ఎందుకు చెప్పలా?
Sir?
వచ్చాక ఎందుకు చెప్పలా?
Sir, ఇప్పుడే జాయిన్ అయ్యాను సార్. ఇనిషియల్ అటెండెన్స్ అప్పుడు ఉన్నాను సార్.
ఎప్పుడు జాయిన్ అయ్యావు? ఇప్పుడేనా? ఇప్పుడే జాయిన్ అయ్యావా?
ఇనిషియల్ అటెండెన్స్ అప్పుడు ఉన్నాను సార్. క్లాస్ మధ్యలో కట్ అయింది సార్. మళ్ళీ జాయిన్ అయ్యేప్పుడు.
నాకు ఇనిషియల్ అటెండెన్స్ చెప్పలేదే నువ్వు, నేను వేసుకోలేదే.
సార్ చెప్పాను సార్ నేను.
అయితే రికార్డ్ చూస్తాలే. నువ్వు పలికితే దాంట్లో ఉంటుంది కదా. ఓకే. 31. ఓకే అమ్మా, బాయ్.
31 present sir.
32.
Yes sir.
ఎవరు ఎక్కడ? 33.
Present, sir.
ఎవరు 33? ఓకే. Who is this guy? Who is this guy? Virat Kohli? You just leave from my class, Mr. Virat Kohli. Don't play dramas here. Okay. Just a minute. Just a minute.